Good morning, student. Today we will learn what do you mean by uncertainty. To understand this, we will take a simple example. Suppose a patient having the disease, having a pneumonia. So what will be the symptoms for the pneumonia? Suppose we have considered that these are the symptoms. As in this diagram, we have considered these are the symptoms. For example, painless, fever, cough, white blood cell count, having the symptoms to the patient having the pneumonia. The knowledge based system for medical example, we want to build the knowledge based system to diagnose the disease called as the pneumonia. What is the problem description? The disease is a pneumonia. Patient symptoms are just like fever, cough, painless, white blood cell count, chest pain, etc. Representation of the patient cases will be statement are the hold are true for the patient. For example, fever will be true, cough will be false, white blood cell count will be high. Diagnosis task, we want to decide whether the patient suffering from the pneumonia or not given in symptoms. Uncertainty, to make the inference possible, we need to represent the knowledge axionomy related to symptom to diagnose like this as shown in the diagram. The problem disease relations are not deterministic, they are uncertain and vary from patient to patient. There are two types of uncertainty. For example, first is disease symptoms uncertainty, means what? The patient suffering from the pneumonia may not have fever all the time, may or may not have a cough, while white blood cell tested can be in normal range. Whereas in second, this is the symptoms disease uncertainty. High fever is typically for many diseases, for example bacterial disease, and does not point specially to a pneumonia. Fever, cough, painless, high blood cell count combined do not always point to a pneumonia. Next, why a relational uncertainty? First is observability. Observability means what? It is possible to observe all relevant component of the world. Observable count behave sophisticated even if it is underlying world is deterministic. Second, efficiency and capacity limit. What do you mean by this? It is often impossible to enumerate and model all the components of the world and their relations. Abstract can be sophisticated. Third, human can reason with uncertainty. This is the third, human. What do you mean by this? Human can commute the system do not be a same. Modeling with uncertainty